The Volkswagen Virtus is a mid-size sedan that has replaced the Vento in various international markets. Volkswagen will base the Vento replacement in India on the Virtus sedan. The Virtus has already been spied testing on Indian roads earlier this year. So what will be new about the upcoming Virtus? For knowing that, watch the video till the end without skipping. On the styling front, the Virtus has some commonalities with the pre-facelift 6th generation Polo. The grille, headlights, front bumper and hood are almost identical to that of the Polo. However, from the back, you can see the difference between the Virtus and the hatchback. Because of the longer wheelbase, the rear doors are longer than those on the Polo. Moreover, the sedan also has a strong shoulder line and a sloping roofline that neatly merges with the boot. At the rear, the sleek wraparound taillights and small ducktail spoiler complete the look. In international markets, Volkswagen offers the Virtus with a lot of kits, especially on the higher trims. Some of the features include a 10-inch digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. It also gets features like automatic climate control, keyless entry and go, front and rear parking sensors and much more. Based on the Volkswagen Group, the Virtus is considerably larger than the Vento available in India. The Vento replacement in India will utilize the localized platform and will be based on the Virtus, expecting its dimensions to be very similar to the international model. Under the hood, the model for India is likely to carry forward the current Vento's 110 horsepower, 1-liter TSI turbo petrol engine. However, it is also expected to come with the larger 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder TSI engine that will develop 150 horsepower and 250 Nm. Gearbox options for the 1-liter TSI will likely include both a 6-speed manual and 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. The 1.5 TSI on the other hand is expected to come with a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Volkswagen India is expected to unveil the Vento replacement later this year after the launch of the Tiguan SUV. This means the new sedan is likely to launch in India sometime in early 2022. Once launched, the new sedan will continue to compete in the mid-size sedan segment, taking on the likes of the upcoming, all-new Skoda Rapid, along with the Honda City, Hyundai Verna, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz and Toyota Yaris. Given its size, engine options and extensive feature list, we expect Volkswagen to price the Vento replacement on the higher end of the mid-size sedan segment. It is likely to be priced from 10 lakh on its launch and will be soon a game changer in the automobile market.